And apparently we are live, alright? So, uh, this will be a nice short video. Both of these lectures are really quick. So, first up, pies and resonance. That is to say, pi bonds and resonance. Okay? Sigma bonds are completely locked down. They are locked in place. They cannot go anywhere. That's because, as you recall, they're made of, using valence bond theory, they are locked between the two atoms. They are extending directly from one atom to another. You get that really big, great, significant overlap. Thus, the sigma bonds are nice and strong. Pi bonds, however, are located either above and below, or in front of and behind the bond. So they don't get that significant overlap, which is why you get resonance with them. They are not locked down. They're free in a way that sigma bonds are not. So when we are talking about resonance, recall that I said you only get resonance if you have a double or triple bond. And this is why. It's because those double and triple bonds are formed using pi bonds. Okay? So that is both the thing you have to know, that pi bonds resonate, sigma bonds don't, and the explanation for why. That they're just not locked down in the same way that sigma bonds are. So that is the first of our two sets of lectures. Just this really simple fact that pi bonds resonate, only pi bonds resonate, and all resonance is pi. Okay? The other thing to talk about is here with molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory, we're not going to touch on it. It is the best explanation for how and why bonds form, but we're not going to touch on it because it is quite complicated. It's neat. It's kind of pretty, but no, we're just not going to go there. No molecular orbital theory for us. Not this semester. Later on in chemistry, molecular orbital theory is awesome. It is the best explanation. It gives us so much stuff that not even valence bond theory and hybrid orbital theory can. It is just a little bit too much for us to get into here and now. Okay? So you don't have to worry about molecular orbital theory. You do have to remember valence bond theory. You have to remember hybrid orbital theory. And you have to be able to draw Lewis structures and get everything else you get from that. But that's it. Okay. So like I said, a really short, quick lecture. I wish I'd been thinking ahead. I would have gone ahead and gotten this done last night. All right. And with that, we are done with this lecture. We are done with Chapter 5. And I'm going to go ahead and say good evening. I will see you around.